Good morning, children. Today I will show a simple project on face value. First, you have to understand what is face value. Children, the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. See children, this is a number 632. We have to find out the face value of each digit and then we have to make the project. Start from the right side. What is the first digit? The first digit is 2. So, what is the face value of 2? The face value of 2 is 2. Same as it is. So, paste here 2 leaves. 1, 2. Go to the second digit. The second digit is 3. Face value of 3 is 3. Same as it is. So, paste here 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3. Go to the third digit. The third digit is 6. Face value of 6 is 6. So, paste here 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, I have used leaves. You can use pulses, grains, beads, flowers, etc. for this project. Thank you, children.